Initially you need to select front plane and make a rectangle, center rectangle with dimensions of 75 millimeter and 45 millimeter, and you can extrude this one up to 15 millimeter extrude height. I think 15 millimeter is large, so you can extrude this one up to 10 millimeters. Now select this surface, go to sketch, and make a straight line like this and give dimensions. This angle is 30 degree and this angle about 65 degrees, and this fillet about 5 diameter. And you can complete this sketch by connecting this point to this point, and you can extrude this sketch up to 10 millimeters like this. Now you need to make a similar part on this area. For that purpose you can use mirror entities. Go to mirror entities, mirror plane is my top plane, and mirror feature is this one. This feature, this extrude feature we previously made. Now again you can select this surface, go to sketch and create a circle with 8.5 millimeters, and now you can extrude cut this sketch up to through all.